In this video, we're going to learn how to fix FIFA Mobile friends offline. If you're experiencing issues with your friends showing offline all the time in FIFA Mobile, then here are some few steps you can take to try and resolve the problem. The first thing to do is to ensure that both you and your friends have a stable internet connection, since poor connectivity can sometimes lead to inaccurate status display. The next step is to restart your game. Sometimes refreshing the game by closing and reopening it can help correct glitches or inaccuracies in friends' status. Simply go ahead and swipe from the bottom of the page, and in the app card where it says FIFA Mobile, simply swipe up the FIFA Mobile app card at the top in order to close off FIFA Mobile. Now, tap open FIFA Mobile application again, and then once you give it a quick restart, this might help you solve the problem. If the problem still persists, you'll need to verify your friend requests. Make sure that both you and your friends have accepted the friend request from each other within the game. You won't be able to see friends online if you're not officially connected in the game. So after you do that, you might be able to fix your issue, but if you still are not being able to fix it, the next thing to do is to update the game. Remember to update your game now and then. Ensure that both you and your friends are using the latest version of FIFA Mobile from the App Store or your Google Play Store. To make sure, go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and search for FIFA Mobile. Once you find the app, give it a tap and then look for the update button on this page. If you see an update button, tap on it to get the latest version of FIFA Mobile game installed on your mobile device. After you have the updated version of FIFA Mobile, you can go back to the game and then see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out. If you're having trouble with FIFA Mobile friends showing offline, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video like this. Goodbye till then.